Hello and welcome to Ghost Sabotage here once again with another Scottish Tours. It's almost 11 o'clock near the Merkland Nature Reserve. If you can, there we go. I should be able to get there through next to those bushes. Definitely looks like a big old nature reserve with a animal park bench too. There you go. Kind of hoped to run into a shop, but I have not seen any so far. Hopefully I'll get to see one soon. I definitely will walk past one sooner or later. And apparently I can get to the Forth and Clyde Canal from this location. It's a 10-minute cycle or 22-minute walk. I've been listening to a audiobook called Shogun Part 1 TV tie in art to come. Don't know what show. There you go. Thumbnail. Let's see. On-road sections. There's an on-road section there. There's a tunnel up here. So, squirrel wood carvings. The nature reserve over here. I'm here. Some badgers over here. Badger. Right, anyone know that damn song? Oh, hedgehogs. Some kind of wooden bench and stool with that kind of looks like an owl. Oh, hedgehog carvings in there. No. And some kind of star. What's a star? Point of interest. So I'll definitely walk this way. Or that direction then, maybe. Yeah, this direction. And that gate's open. So anyone can get in. Not like you couldn't hop the fence. It's not that high. And walk that way. Probably for the badger thing or something. I didn't think of it. There was a show called Shogun. I don't think I've ever seen it advertised. I might actually look it up, because this book does pique my interest so far. Yeah. Now I want to listen to the Watership Down again. Though he is clearly dead. He needs to be replaced. There's a small part of me that says I've been here before. There's definitely a few places I wanted to come back to, because I recorded them in the winter months. I really wanted to come back and can never remember what they're called. So definitely see about doing a lot more walking around Glasgow and the greater Glasgow area. And this actually looks quite awesome. I'm sorry for the shaky cam. Got a miner's helmet here. I believe that kind of looks like a acorn by the looks of things. Makeley Hill Colliery Pit number 4. I'm guessing the coal, since the only pits I reckon that I can think of are the coal pits. if you've been around back in the like 80s and 90s, technically speaking, I was around in the 80s. Like, I was born in 1989, so well, near the start of 89. So technically speaking, I'm an 80s baby, but I'm a 90s kid. But I know about the pits closing down. A good movie, it'd be Blast Off. That's got all the characters in that are people who worked in the pits and who lost their jobs because of your what's it called? Pits closing down because of Thatcher and such. It's a good movie. Yeah, like I said, it's about the pit miners losing their jobs and who are also in the local brass band, who go off and compete in the brass band competitions. Quite good. I do recommend watching it. Kind of forgot the map. Am I supposed to follow the F? Go this way? From what I understand of the Google Maps, I might be able to get over here. And look at that bench over there. Awesome. Oh, a Labrador. Yeah, it might kind of look like the Labrador that the family had when I was a kid. Oh, this bench looks awesome. I believe I need to go this way for that tunnel. Maybe I should stop recording and check the footage for the map. Could do with it getting a drink too. And no, I'm not going to drink out the loch. Don't be stupid. What's this? Closed pit, 1924, in memory of Merkland Hill miners. Okay. So was this the location of the opening 1865, closed in 1924 or thereabouts? So I'm guessing this used to be the mine entrance, maybe. That's what I'm guessing from that, at the very least. I'm kind of thinking I have been here before. There's a nagging feeling, nagging memory saying yes. Like, I believe, like saying I have a memory of a park I've been to where I saw a badger carving. I said, anyone anyone got any mashed potato for us? It was badger, 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 badger. Everybody knows that badger likes mashed potatoes. Sounds like someone's mowing. I can hear a skag. You know, one of those big orange grass cutters. Somewhere in that direction. Another bench. I think I know where the tunnel is. At least, I think. According to this map, which is somewhere in that direction. Anyway, until next time, ladies, gentlemen, and whoever else, tally ho.